really cute, okay?
See, Joe was actually the nose picker in our family.
Yeah. Okay. She can also burp the longest and talk while she burps. Hey, maybe you can do that later. Okay, I'll do that later.
Okay, here we go. Serious, okay?
Okay. Serious. Real sweet. Okay. Ready?
1, 2, 3. We love you, Booger Insty. Yes, we do. We don't love anyone as much as you. And when we see you, P.U. Oh, Booger Insty, we love you. Sherry really picked. No, you didn't.
Okay, now we gotta do it Carol's way. Carol.
We love you, Booger Insty. Oh, yes, we do. We don't love anyone as much as you. And when we see you, we love you, Booger Insty. Oh, yes, we do. We don't love anyone as much as you. And when we see you, P.U. Oh, Booger Insty, we love you. We love you, Booger Insty. Yes, we do. We don't love anyone as much as you. And when we see you, P.U. Oh, Booger Insty, we love you. Oh, Booger Insty.
That's on tape, Carol.
Okay. Ready for you people? Are we ready? And we love you, Booger? Okay. 1, 2, 3. We love you, Booger. Yeah, we do. Now, come on. Chris really picked, Mom. Chris picked. I'll just go 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. We love you, Booger Insty. Oh, yes, we do. We don't love anyone as much as you. And when we see you, ew. Oh, Booger Insty, we love you. I know what she will love it. Okay, girls. Oh, okay, I'll get better. Coca-Cola. Okay, all in harmony, okay? Carol, 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 Carol. She does, you know.
Mom come in there and went. We really go and sit around and do this is what we do in there. God, Joe.
Nine.
Oh, God.
He was clapping for you a while ago.